The fire truck is so big. Let's explore the fire station.
Welcome to our fire station.
Can we see the fire truck? Thank you.
Thank you. This is our fire truck.
It's amazing! It is very big.
This is a fire hose.
It's very long. It's very interesting.
This is a long ladder.
It is very tall. It is very tall. The ladder is amazing.
This is the driver's seat.
The truck is beautiful. I like the big windows.
This is my helmet.
It looks cool. It's bright red. Wow! The lights are bright. They look beautiful. The wheels are huge. The truck is very strong.
Thank you for visiting.
Thank you. We had fun. Goodbye. See you again.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next adventure.
Kind people help every community. Always be kind and helpful.